Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one is an anthracite blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige, espresso brown Napa leather, panorama sunroof. This one also does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you front and rear heated and cooled seats. We've got ambient lighting. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Coming alongside this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Burmeister sound system, memory seats, a burl walnut wood trim, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, a burl walnut and leather steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, touchpad for the media display. We also got some more hard keys for our media display, sports and comfort mode. This S550 has 37,959 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.